In this video, we will cover the heading advanced tuning step. In this step, we are tuning the valve responsiveness to heading changes. Our objective is to make sure the valve is quick to respond to heading changes without causing the vehicle to oscillate or weave. Remember the relationship between heading and steering. A setting change will adjust the volume at which heading talks to steering. To gauge performance, we will be using the guidance line with the tuning graph and the vehicle's response. A steer left or right command will turn the wheel approximately 5 degrees from the current heading, and center wheels will match the heading of the AB line. Start by directing the vehicle at approximately the same heading as the AB line. We do not need to be directly on the AB line. To begin, first tap center wheels, traveling at your desired speed, then tap left or right. The gray line on the graph will move left or right, and the blue line will follow it. Now, gauge the responsiveness of the blue line. For heading tuning, it works best to repeat the center command, then the opposite steering command. For example, in this video, our steering commands are center, left, center, right, center. This pattern can be continued as needed to help gauge performance. A high setting will have a fast response from the blue line and turn the wheels quickly, but will likely overshoot the gray line and weave aggressively. A low setting will have a lazy response from the blue line and likely not be able to lock onto the gray line. An ideal setting will have a fast response from the blue line with minimal or no oscillations. Initial oscillations are okay as long as they subside and desired performance is achieved. It is also very helpful to view the steered wheels and steering linkage while tuning. View how the wheels react with the same commands that we just performed. Repeat any steering commands as needed while adjusting the heading value until ideal performance is achieved. A good rule of thumb for heading tuning is to set the value as high as possible without any oscillations in the steered wheels. This completes the heading tuning step.